Hi guys! Welcome back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I want to share with you my pan-grilled chicken recipe, which you can enjoy on its own or put in the pizza like I sometimes do. Okay, let's begin by marinating the chicken breast. Season with salt, black pepper, brown sugar, paprika, soy sauce, oyster sauce, cooking oil, and blend them together nicely and leave it for at least 30 minutes so all the marinade can go into the chicken. Meanwhile, we will prepare for the sauce. We're gonna need roughly chopped tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Put them in the blender together with some herbs. I'm adding Thai basil. Also add tiny bit of water and blend until smooth. Now let's grill the chicken. Brush the pan with some cooking oil and grill the chicken for a couple of minutes. Flip it and brush with the leftover marinades so the chicken will absorb all the good stuff. Flip again and repeat the process. When you get a nice color on both sides, take it out and let it rest on the plate. Then in the same pan, pour in the sauce mixture you made earlier, a bit of white wine, season with salt, black pepper, dry oregano leaves, rosemary, paprika, stir, add white sugar, chili flakes, mix well. And put the chicken back into the pan, cook it in the sauce for a few minutes and let them exchange flavors. Then take out the chicken and cut it. You can enjoy the chicken any way you like, but we're gonna put it in our pizza for today. Thank you so much for watching our video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Take care guys. Stay safe. Bye.